The easiest way to give your woman a squirting orgasm is through G-spot stimulation. The G-spot is located 1 to 2 inches inside your woman's vagina along the front wall. It will have a wrinkled texture similar to that of a raisin. At rest, the G-spot will be more or less flat and less pronounced. However, as a woman becomes aroused, the G-spot will begin to balloon out and become easier to find. This is why lots of foreplay is highly recommended before you begin any kind of G-spot stimulation. Now that you're familiar with the G-spot, let's move on to the technique to make your woman squirt. A quick side note, always use plenty of lube before you begin G-spot stimulation, even if you think she's wet enough already. This will ensure she stays comfortable throughout the entire session. With your woman lying on her back, insert your index finger inside her vagina to about the second knuckle and press up on her front wall. Feel around for the slightly wrinkled or ridged area. This is her G-spot. Begin stroking this area with firm pressure using a come here motion with your index finger. As you continue stimulation, you will feel her G-spot swell, and your woman will start to feel a sensation similar to needing to pee. This is a good sign and means she's very close to squirting. Instruct her to relax and simply push it out when she feels the sensation peak. The time it will take for her ejaculatory fluid to build up and for her to orgasm will vary from woman to woman, with 30 minutes of constant stimulation being on the higher end. As she pushes out the female ejaculatory fluid, you will most likely get soaked along with your bedding. It's important to note that some women can experience a fluid release without feeling the orgasm. While this still feels good for the woman, it may not be the orgasmic experience that she was hoping for. If this is the case for your woman, the solution is simply a matter of building up the orgasm more and having her hold back on pushing out the ejaculatory fluid, thus making the fluid release and orgasm happen at the same time.